y'all, it's Lynn again. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a minute, hasn't it? One of the viewers said that my kitchen looked like a dungeon, so I thought we would have a different background today. And maybe you can let me know what you think, dungeon or not. But the main reason we're here is to talk about the Power Grill. It's been a little over a year since I got the Power Grill and that I made the first one of these videos. So I thought we'd take a little review and also make some comparisons to the Propane grill, because I don't think I'm going back to the Propane grill again. Now, the Propane grill stayed outside, so you didn't really have to think about where you were going to put it. On the other hand, with the Power Grill, it's really just a small appliance. So you're going to have to think about where you want to keep that grill. Now, I have a lot of counter space, so I could keep it out on the counter, but I don't really like that. So I had to find a place. I got rid of some other things that I wasn't using and found a place to keep it. So you'll have to consider that too. Then what about prepping the grill? Well, with the Propane grill, you had to scrub the grill plate. However, with the Power Grill, I just pull it out of the cupboard and just plug it in, set the heat, and let it heat up. It takes about 10 minutes for the Power Grill to get hot and ready to use. And also with the Propane grill, there was always worrying about, was the propane going to run out right in the middle? And then having to lug the tank, go to the big box store, replace the tank, get it home. And with the Power Grill, you don't even have to consider that. Then again, I can cook whatever I want and how much I want. With the Propane grill, because it always took so much effort and time to get ready, I always felt like I had to cook a lot in order to make it worthwhile. And then there's cleanup. Again, no cleaning up of those grill plates on the outside grill so that the ants don't get into the grease and cooked on sauce. No worrying about the tank being turned off or putting on that cover to protect it from the elements. With the Power Grill, I just pop in the lid, the grill plate, the water pan, and the drip pan into the dishwasher. I do set it on pot scrub to get it clean. And there are a few times when, if I've cooked ribs or something where the sauce gets really baked on, my dishwasher won't take that off. But either before I put it in the dishwasher or after, I just put it in some water in the sink and give it a good scrub with a brush, and there it is. Two final things about the Power Grill that I want to let you know. First of all, the Power Grill is not a microwave. It's a grill, and it takes time to cook the food that you put on the grill. So that's one of the reasons that I like to cook outside with the Power Grill, even though you can use it inside your kitchen. Because I have it outside, I can put my food on, let it cook for the time it needs to be cooked, and go inside, enjoy the TV, or even outside, get a drink, sit at the patio table, and just enjoy the outside while the food is cooking. That's really important, to have some patience while you're cooking your food. People have asked me a lot on this channel about the taste with the Power Grill. Well, frankly, I've always marinated meat and vegetables before I grilled them. I always felt like I got a better taste when I did that. So I'm doing the same thing with the Power Grill, and the taste, for me, the difference is not that significant for me to enjoy the food that I'm grilling. The meat is nice and moist, juicy inside. The chicken is very, very good. You can get a nice sear on the outside and very, very moist in the middle. For me, the convenience and ease of using this grill far outweighs what little difference there could be in taste. So after 1 year of using the Power Grill, I can say that I'm very satisfied with it. During the warm months, I probably use my grill 2 times, 3 times a week. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a like down below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do that as well. If you want notifications, you're going to have to click on that little bell icon to make sure that you get notified when I put out some new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Nos vemos.